Thank you for visiting us. This video is about motorcycle stickers. Material we use for motorcycle stickers is white vinyl. You can have it in any shape or size according to your requirement. We can laminate it either with gloss to give them a shiny look or matte to give them a decent dull look. We can customize motorcycle stickers according to your desired quantity and size. So please feel free to contact us, send us a price quote request, or give us a call on the number provided. Just be specified with your required size, quantity, and color scheme. Thanks again for visiting our website and watching this video.